Welcome to this video on sampling methods. I am Yasin Al-Razi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Law at Jagannath University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. What is sampling? It is the process of selecting a subset of a population to study the characteristics of the whole population. In legal research, sampling can examine topics like crime prevalence or the effectiveness of sentencing policies. The sampling method is a technique used to select a subset for statistical analysis. It is essential for research design, affecting the validity and reliability of results. The choice depends on research goals and constraints. To choose an appropriate sampling method, researchers should consider research objectives, the characteristics of the population, the availability of resources, and ethical issues. We have two main types of sampling methods. Probability sampling ensures every member has a known and equal chance of selection. This statistically rigorous method is common in legal research, allowing for strong statistical inferences. Non-probability sampling is less statistically rigorous because not all members have a known and equal chance of being selected. It is often more efficient and cost-effective, involving non-random selection, but may introduce bias. The kinds of probability sampling include simple random sampling, where a random sample is selected from numbered members, and stratified random sampling, where the population is divided into strata before random selection. Other types are cluster random sampling, where clusters of the population are selected randomly, and systematic random sampling, where members are selected at regular intervals after a random starting point. The advantages of probability sampling include representativeness, allowing results to be generalized to the population. It also provides statistical rigor, enabling researchers to calculate the margin of error and confidence level. However, probability sampling can be time-consuming and expensive. It can also be difficult to reach all members of the population, especially if the group is marginalized or hidden. Kinds of non-probability sampling include convenience sampling, selecting easily accessible members, and voluntary response sampling, where participants volunteer for the study. Quota sampling selects members based on specific criteria in certain proportions. Snowball sampling involves selecting a small group and asking them to refer other participants. Non-probability sampling is advantageous for its efficiency and cost-effectiveness. It is also easier to reach participants who are difficult to access using probability methods. The disadvantages include a lack of representativeness, meaning results cannot be generalized. It is also more prone to sampling bias, which can lead to inaccurate or unrepresentative results. Thank you for listening.